Hi, good morning. In today's video, we're going to talk about MySQL functions. I started creating MySQL database lessons. Please watch PHP web and other videos. We have about hundreds of videos on HTML, yoga and other things. Let's jump into the MySQL functions. MySQL is most widely used database by small, medium, even large companies. These are the functions commonly used, kind of mathematic functions. MIN function is smallest value of the column. See, there is a table here. It's related to trains. If you watch my other videos, I'll be using the trains table, trains, passengers. This passengers table. PID is passenger ID, P name is passenger name, numlog is number of luggages they have, P from is the source where they are traveling from, P2 passenger to destination place. So all these are the rows here, these are the columns here, and these are the rows. So PID 100, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows in the table, the names, number of luggage each one has, from to. So when we use the min of a function, say min of this column, minimum value of the numeric column. Similarly, opposite is max. Max function, largest value of the column. Count. Count gives the number of records, but you can put the column name here to get the number of rows. Using a where clause, having, those are conditions to fetch data from the table to display. Average of the numeric column, the values. Sum, total sum of the numeric columns. So let me give an example query for each of them. Select min of numlog. So this is the column name, numeric column, numlog, from passengers. I am saying display all the rows of the table, passengers. Select the minimum out of it, So when you come here, numlog has 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4. Obviously minimum is 1. So one passenger has only one luggage. That's the result, output. Similarly, select max of numlog from passengers. When we see here, max is 5. So this passenger has 5 luggages, probably traveling with family. Select count of P from passengers, where P2 equal to Alaska. So this query returns value from passengers table, where passenger destination is Alaska. So P2, Tampa, Miami, LA, Boston, Oviedo, Alaska. Looks like there is a train from Alaska to Oviedo. It's an example table. So it displays 2 rows here, 2. See, the value 2 is displayed because Alaska, P2. P2 is equal to Alaska, count of P from. And let's see, select average of the numlog from passengers table. Numlog is these values. So you have to add all these values, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 22 by 7 is 3.2. Truncate, it's a decimal, it's a numeric value. So average is 3. So average 3 luggages for this table with 7 rows. Select sum of numlog from passengers. So it's going to count all these values. Like previously we found the average. Average is sum by the number of rows. The sum is 23. So this gives a basic understanding of the math functions used by MySQL. Who will use these data is the managers or developers, of any company. I'll create more videos on MySQL step by step. We are kind of at the beginner level in MySQL. I have other 2 videos about where I describe about the types of databases. This is relational database. There is relation between each row and column. There is one called hierarchical database. I gave some brief introduction in another video. Please watch them. Thanks for watching.